got the Promoto all bundled up inside of the Traxxas backpack. And we've got the Surron Lightbeat X that we're going to be taking out. So let's go out and have some fun. Alrighty, so we made it out to the spot with the Surron Lightbeat X. I'm going to be taking out the Promoto here. Welcome back to another very special episode of Grim Reaper RC, guys. Take a look. I found a little test track going on over here. I think this is going to be the new area where we're going to test every single RC car. So I am uploading every single day, so I hope you guys enjoy these videos. I got a bunch going on, and I cannot wait to show you guys. This thing is absolutely insane. I've already got a few upgrades on here. I got the Luna bar. I actually ordered a graphics kit that is going to match exactly to the Losi Promoto, so I will have a matching RC with the Surron Lightbeat X. I do have some upgraded brakes on here. This is the 72 volt battery on the inside of here. You guys can see it does have the huge, I believe these are the IC7 plugs if I am not mistaken, which is actually pretty cool, kind of the same setup as Spektrum. So let's get the Promoto out and have some fun. This is going to be absolutely insane. You guys are going to witness this at the same time as me. Here is the Promoto. We do have some cool graphics on here. Not looking like the Surron, but we'll get it there. So let's see how it does. Oh, right into the tree. All right, little bit of an interruption. I had to turn this off real quick because I ended up breaking the chain guard. And here's the thing, I did not actually bring any tools with me. So we are gonna turn this on. We're gonna let the gyro kick back up, and then we're gonna have some fun with this thing. Let's see what we can do. It's a little beat up, a little destroyed from in here. Not too bad though, it's harsh. Let's see what we can do. Oh, they just keep tipping over. All right, I got it this time for sure. Here we go. And right into the divot. This thing is so hard to drive. All right, here we go. Oh no, here we go, ready. All right, here we go. Alrighty, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. That's basically it for the Losi Promoto and the Surron Light BX that we took out today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is part of the daily upload series, so I cannot wait to see what we end up with this. I think this is upload number 38 or 39, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, and turn on the post notification button. That way you guys get notified whenever I upload a really cool or informational video, or where we go out and just bash and blast just like this one. Make sure to stay tuned for the upgrade series on the Surron Light BX and for the upgrade series on the other Losi Promoto that I have inside of the studio. Thank you guys so much for watching today, and I will see you all in the very next episode of Grim Reaper RC.